Hey, let's download some background maps for a project that I've got that's way out of town where there's no cell phone coverage. You can do this from the project and then layers button, but you can also do it from the survey screen. I'm connected to the internet here at our office now, so my internet will be pretty quick. Let's go to the survey screen. I'll go to map survey and you'll see it's centered on the office here. I'm going to unclick the center button over on the toolbar. That way I can zoom out and then I can drag over to the area where I'm going to be working where there is a very good cell phone coverage. Okay, that will cover the entire area where I'm going to be working right there. So I'm going to click on the layers button and then online map. I'm going to drag Google Map over and click on the download button. It remembers the viewport that I had. I'll click on download. And I'm going to give this the name of the project I'm working on over there. And I'll click on yes. So the background image has been downloaded. I'm going to turn off the Google image because I don't want it displaying on top of my downloaded map layer. And then I'm going to go over and I'm going to change the transparency of this big spring. When I go back, you'll see I've got the background map and it's got all of the resolution of the original map, but it's been backed out so that I can see my survey values and any line work that I do on top of the image. If that's too much, you can just go back to layers, map files, drag it over, change the opacity, and when you go back, there'll be more color. That's all there is to it. You can have essentially an unlimited number of background maps. It's automatically tiled and they are transferred if you do a deployment backup. All of these background maps will automatically move to your new device. See you in the next video.